Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we dive deep into audio gear that actually matters. Today we're talking the SOUNDPEATS H3. These semi-transparent wireless earbuds promise flagship sound without the flagship price. At just $130 they're packing a triple driver setup, adaptive ANC up to 55 dB and high-res codecs like LDAC and aptX Lossless. But do they actually live up to the hype, or are they just shiny plastic? I spent a week testing them with my Samsung S24, running everything from classic rock to modern pop. Stick around for the full breakdown. If you're looking for wireless earbuds that hit above their weight, this might be it. Let's dive in. Alright, let's start with what makes the H3 tick. And trust me, there's a lot under that elegant hood. Design-wise, these are a standout. A semi-transparent housing that lets you peek at the inner workings. Crafted from 6 premium materials through 60 meticulous processes. The anodized aluminum nozzles refine the treble for extra sparkle. And at just 6 grams per butt, they're feather light. With an IPX5 water resistance rating, perfect for workouts or rainy commutes. The charging case is compact at 53 grams total with a matte finish and gold accents that scream premium without screaming "look at me." You get 5 pairs of silicone tips from XS to XL for a snug custom fit, plus a USB-C cable and even a few stickers thrown in. Now the audio heart. Qualcomm's QCC3091 chip powers Bluetooth 5.4 with Snapdragon sound, supporting SBC, AAC, LDAC, aptX adaptive and even lossless. That's high-res wireless audio right out of the box, though you need the SOUNDPEATS app to enable access to all the features. Speaking of the app, it's a game changer. A 9-band EQ with 11 presets for music, movies or gaming, plus multi-device pairing, earbud finder and real-time battery stats. And there's a 60 millisecond low latency game mode, perfect for lag-free sessions. Dual connectivity is also supported, but not with LDAC activated. Noise control, adaptive ANC with AI smarts and a 6 mic array cranks up to 55 decibel reduction across 4 modes. Adaptive, indoor, outdoor or traffic. It dynamically adjusts to your environment, and transparency mode lets in just the right amount of outside world. For calls, the same microphones excel with AI powered noise reduction, ensuring crystal clear conversations even in noisy environments. Battery life is solid, 35 mAh per butt gives you up to 7 hours of playtime, stretching it to 37 hours with the 400 mAh case. A quick 10-minute charge provides 2 hours of playtime, while a full charge takes just an hour for the earbuds and up to 2 hours for the case. With a triple driver setup featuring a 12mm dynamic driver and dual balance armatures, the H3 brings a smart mix of form and function. No gimmicks here, just solid tech that genuinely levels up your everyday listening. Resolution is impressive for true wireless, revealing both macro and micro details without fatigue. And if you want to tune it your way, the App EQ has you covered. To break it down, I paired these straight to my Samsung S24 via LDAC for that high-res stream. First up, Pink Floyd's Money from the Dark Side of the Moon. That iconic opening bass line, the H3's dynamic driver nails it. Tight, textured and surprisingly deep for earbuds this size. With sub-bass rumble that feels controlled and immersive, not bloated. The gritty guitar riffs cut through with clarity. The mids are full and musical on David Gilmour's vocals. No veil or muddiness here. Treble sparkles on the cymbal crashes without sibilance, and the soundstage has decent width for a Floyd track, wrapping you in that psychedelic layer. It may not rival open backs, but for wireless gear it's surprisingly immersive. Way more vibrant and alive than most budget wired earbuds. Switching gear to Billie Eilish's No Time to Die, the Hans Zimmer score demands subtlety and drama. The H3 delivers proper lows on those orchestral swells, with the balanced armature drivers shining on Eilish's whispery vocals. Intimate, breathy and forward in the mix thanks to that warm mid-range. Highs extend smoothly on strings and percussion, adding some emotional depth. In quieter moments, details like reverb tails pop and the ANC kicked in seamlessly during a noisy test run, keeping the immersion locked. Overall it's refined and versatile. Punchy for rock, nuanced for pop. A hi-fi step up from most sub-$200 true wireless earbuds, though purists might EQ for even more air. Now let's look at some of the trade-offs, because no gear is perfect. Starting with the downsides, the H3's fit is a mixed bag. That semi-custom shape is comfy with the right tips, but the thicker design and protruding edges can pinch after extended wear, especially if you're an all-day listener. Battery, while impressive on paper, might dip below 6 hours with the ANC on and the volume cranked up, so it might not conquer a full workday without a pit stop. The app is packed with features, but it requires an account and feels a bit clunky for quick adjustments. And don't expect any extras in the box, you won't find a protective case, just the essentials. That said, these cons fade against the winds. The build screams quality, durable, stylish and that visible architecture adds a cool audiophile flair. Sound punches at wired IEM levels with EQ flexibility making it adaptable to any genre. ANC is genuinely effective for the price, calls are pro-grade in chaos and at $130 the value is unbeatable. High-res features, low latency and 37-hour total playtime without breaking the bank. It's not flawless, but the pros stack high for anyone prioritizing audio quality over absolute endurance. Wrapping this up, the SOUNDPEATS H3 are a breath of fresh air in the crowded wireless earbud scene. Delivering high-res trills, smart ANC and premium touches that feel luxurious at half the price of big names like Sony or Bose. If you're after balanced, detailed sound that elevates your playlist without fuss and you're cool with minor fit tweaks, these are an easy recommendation. I give them a solid 8.5 out of 10. Fantastic for commuters, gamers and casual audiophiles. If this sounds like your vibe, you can grab a pair at soundpeats.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. What earbuds are you rocking right now? Drop them in the comments. Smash that like if this helped and subscribe for more honest hi-fi breakdowns. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.